Environment Studies Class 5 and is Chapter 18 Water Basis of Agriculture. Look students, in the beginning of chapter, some students are planting plants in school. Some are watering the plants. Yes children, watering plants or crops is called irrigation. Today, let us know about various sources of irrigation. We shall study in two parts about the sources of irrigation. Number 1, ancient sources, and number 2, modern sources. First of all, let us learn about ancient sources of irrigation. So kids, open your textbooks on page number 116. Ancient sources. The ancient sources of the irrigation had been canals, rain, wells, rivers, etc. Number 1. Rain. Rain is the oldest source of irrigation in our country. The monsoon winds cause rainfall from July to September every year. Rain falls in other months also. In old times, only those crops were grown which depended on rainfall only. That is why production of grains was less in old days. The rain failure led the people to famine. Means due to scarcity of water, the crops become dry, lands barren, and there is extremely shortage of food throughout the region. Next source of irrigation is well. Deep wells were dug in the fields from which water was drawn using a sakya, the Persian wheel that was driven with the help of bullocks. Means bullocks were used to drive the wheel and water was drawn by sakya. Then this water was used for the irrigation. River and canals. The areas where the water of rivers reached, the fields were irrigated by canals or water courses. But the river did not flow for the whole year. So it was not a reliable means of irrigation because when the snow over mountains melt due to hot weather, only then there is plenty of water in canals. But during winters, when there is heavy snow, there is no water in these canals. Dear students, today we have talked about ancient sources of irrigation, rain, well, rivers and canals. Now it's your homework time. On the page number 121 in your textbook, there is a question number 4. Write the names of the ancient sources of irrigation. Dear children, today you have learnt about it. So, write the answer beautifully in your notebooks. Keep learning. Thank you.